Homeowners in Twin Cities metro area are earning more than $1,700 per month by just referring other homeowners to get their roof replaced. Discover the benefits of sharing, referring, and earning with Viking Contractors. Join our exclusive Viking Contractors Advocate program today and unlock incredible rewards for simply referring friends and family to our top-notch services. Share the love with your friends and family by referring them to a service that you truly believe in. For every inspection booked, you get $100. If the service is completed, you get an additional $300. And for every 3 roofing jobs closed, you get an extra $500. Viking Contractors LLC is a GAF-certified local roofing contractor with years of industry experience and knowledge in restoring damaged roofs. We have a high reputation with over 400+ raving homeowner reviews across Google, HomeAdvisor, BBB, Facebook, and Angie's List. Check out how to get started with the affiliate program. Become a Viking Contractors Advocate and start reaping the rewards today. Click the link given in the description and fill in the form. Get the welcome email containing the login credentials to your Advocator portal and resource links. Start entering the referrals. Don't miss out on this fantastic chance to make a positive impact and earn amazing rewards. Sign up as a Viking Contractors Advocate today and let the benefits roll in.